the incoming UAAP Season 76 hosts, trying to gun for a tie for second place today here on the Adamson Lady Falcons. Number 9, Faye Guevara. Number 1, Bebs Pineda. Number 14, May Magatuno. Number 5, Mayet Zapanta. Number 15, Marlene Cortel. Their team captain, number 2, Paul Soriano. And their libero, number 11, Princess Listana. The head coach of the Lady Falcons, Sherwin Meneses. And now trying to stay alive for a Final Four berth here are the current hosts, the National University Lady Bulldogs. Number 1, Desiree Dadang. Number 2, Ivy Perez. Number 8, Kai Nepomuceno. Number 9, Aiko Urdas. Team captain, number 16, Dindin Santiago. Number 11, Myla Pablo. Their libero, number 12, Jen Reyes. And the head coach of the Lady Bulldogs, Francis Vicente.
The embattled National University Lady Bulldogs, and I say that because they do not, well, at this point they still have their fate in their hands, but at the same time they're up against very tough opponents, starting today with Adamson, a team that they have not beaten this entire season. So, you know, it's a hump that they should overcome, they must overcome if they do plan to make it to the Final Four. Para naman sa Adamson, they want that twice to beat advantage. I mean, that's a luxury in the UAAP and at this kind of level of volleyball play. And that is why a win here today is very important, because that puts them very, very close to Ateneo.
Yun nga yung nangyari sa NU, no? So they need this game, but Adamson also equally, no, needing this game for that positioning. And yeah, if Adamson wins this one, almost sure, because yung next game nila is just going to be against UP. So
nothing to take away from UP, pero obviously UP only 2 wins against UE, and chances are malaki ang chance na, you know, Adamson will go all the way.
That's right. So ito namang NU, of course, trying to hold on to your life, trying to get into that Final Four.
And they're not starting off on the proverbial right foot here today, with a nice spike on the side of Adamson and poor coverage on the part of NU on the other side.
Well, you can really feel the immaturity of this NU squad. Towards the end, yung mga big games, yung pa yung nahihirapan sila to overcome. But remember, they are a strong team. When you ask me, very strong.
On paper, they are a solid team, but much more solid in their performance right now is Adamson. And for more about them, let's check in with Apple David.
In the first round, Adamson won over NU in a 5-set match. However, the Lady Falcons do not want another 5-setter in today's game. After Adamson won against FEU last Sunday, ibang-iba na ang aura ng team pagbalik sa practice. Lahat mas ganado at gustong makuha yung number 2 spot. Lahat sila mas energetic at aggressive, even the second 6. Sabi nga nila, nandito na kami, kaya dapat huwag na namin pakawalan to. The Lady Falcons have worked so hard to be where they are now, and they credit that to Coach Sherwin, who consistently reminds them the do's and don'ts in the game. They encourage the players to play their best in every game. Eric, I'll continue with more of my reports later.
Right now, let's check in with this timeout called by Coach Vicente.
Naasan nyo kayo dyan eh. Gusto nyo kagad pumalo, paano kayo makakapalo? Wala kayo receive. Tapos yung dalawa, nagtatago. Nagtuturuan kayo kung sino mag-receive. Pumungat kayo sa receive. Relax lang kasi kayo. Kayo natitensyon eh.
This is the kind of immaturity, Mosey, you were talking about. As you take a look at this fast serve, and it's been a series of fast serves actually brought to you by Shakey's. fun family pizza that NU has not been able to cover. And this is what you've been talking about.
Exactly.
Inexperience in very pressure-packed situations, they fail to deliver.
You know, it's just receiving the ball. Diba? Napaka-simple. You've been doing this for many years. But it's really the focus and yung heart there. You cannot teach that. So, it is something that they have to learn, and they will learn, especially in big games such as this one. Again, look at them. It's just being so out of focus, so out of the game at this point.
7-0, set number 1. Obviously, it's still very early in this match. It's just set number 1, regardless of how well Adamson performs and how poor NU performs. It will always still be set number 1. Marami pang chances bumawi. Pero you don't want to start off this way.
Yes, you don't want to set the tone. Na ganito yung tone ng game mo. So, you know, Adamson will just pounce on that. Baka hindi ka makarecover. So, you want to cut that and get back to your game.
That point by National University may put them right back on track as Soriano misses. That's 2 straight points for National University. Adamson, such a, well, almost a fairy tale story for them, you know, especially for people who know how they've rebounded from nawala yung mga star players to building new star players. Nawala si Mami Dulce, Angela Benting. You know, other teams, other lesser teams may succumb to that kind of, I don't know, change ng manpower.
Problematic, diba, in their games. But not
Adamson. As Soriano knocks in a powerful middle hit. 8-2 Adamson against National University in set number 1.